So in our lab, you can see our all three controllers are up now. Just to be sure, I will write this config. I think I'm done. Okay. Now I will create some topology for my systems. Okay. 11, 12. Okay. And on the ISP side, I will always assign .1 for every side. Duplicate. Yes. 12. Let's power on this one and this one. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay. Any other IP you want to assign, you can. I'm just assigning the public IP.
Hey Sachin, there is an issue in my lab.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever I'm trying to access any device, it lends me to the other tab and then it asks for the username password. It does not take it.
Okay. Just close all the tab and just log in again. Your initial session has been expired. That's the reason it is showing. Your first session
So
has been expired. So just close the lab and just log in again. Then you will be able
close the
to get
lab
it.
means
Means,
log out.
sorry, log out the lab. This
Okay,
button, log out.
let me log it out and then log back in.
Yeah. Please close our other tab also.
No,
All the tab.
there's no other tab
Okay.
open.
18. Okay.
Okay, let me see if I can do it now. Now it's okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So these are some common things for this EVNG. So if the people already work, there's no issue. If it does not work, so it's common for all. 15, 16, 17, 18, done. I will assign .1 here only.
So Sachin, by some reason my vManage is up. I got the management IP 172.16.1, but the GUI is not opening. It's something problem or it's a behavior. I mean, I just started my vManage 5-7 minutes before.
Yeah, sorry, I was speaking on mute. Yeah, it takes time. You usually when you just started, so it takes time, right?
Okay, uptime is showing 3 minutes, so maybe I have to wait another few minutes. CLI is
Yeah,
fine, but GUI is not.
yeah, yeah. Database takes time. Why it is not typing?
Okay, my it is up now. Whenever you're ready, let me know. I'll share my screen.
Yeah, my vManage is fine. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I just, I
Maybe
mean, I
one
have installed certificate yesterday.
Uh-huh.
It looks like when I'm going to the dashboard, it is not showing up.
Okay. Okay.
Found up
Show me the
yesterday.
dashboard. Yeah, click on this main dashboard, or either you can just click on the blue button. Okay. Now go to your just for the certificate part. Really, I will not be able to help that what mistake you have done. It's a very sensitive thing. Maybe you have any
No,
space enter.
it said success. No, it said success.
No, success will it will say success because whenever you will upload that the certificate, okay, because it does not know when it will be match, it will be sync. Then there is a problem. So what we can do, you just open the putty session or any console session for all of the three controllers and just show me the show running config. Just make it big to this window. Just stretch, yeah, and just show me the show running config for all three one and the
Okay,
basic
okay,
connectivity. It's pinging
sure,
or
sure,
not.
sure, sure, sure.
Okay.
vBond, this is vManage.
Yeah, yeah, just run the show running config.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm just doing for all of them. Forward.
And this IP is able to ping. First, can you check that vSmart is
Yeah,
able to reach vManage?
yes, yes. Let me show you.
Okay. You don't need to take putty session. You just show me the configuration.
Oh, you don't need it? I thought you
No, no,
said make
no,
it
no,
easy.
no.
Oh, okay. Sorry about that. Okay. So, yeah, this is my vManage, and if I'm just find a ping, these are my IP address from vManage.
Mm-hmm.
3332 and 4442.
8110.3.3.2. Okay. Yeah. So I think your basic reachability switch
Yep,
is
yeah,
on.
right. Yeah, right.
So yesterday it was fine, or
Yeah,
right now?
no. Yesterday it was not fine. Yesterday, but it was able to ping. I just turned on these three.
Okay.
I forgot to turn on this switch,
Okay.
but looks like yesterday I was able to ping.
No problem. Just show me the show running config till switch is getting on. Show running config one by one. Don't switch the window in fast. Yeah, we
Okay.
go to vManage. Okay, system IP, site ID. Okay, Viptela SD-WAN, vBond. Okay, go down please. Go down. Okay, here your tunnel interface is not configured. You configure the tunnel interface on the vManage. Hope all will be up in a one go.
Under the VPN 0.
Yeah, under this ETH one.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
Let me check.
In the notepad, you will also find that tunnel interface is configured. So you missed that one.
Okay, let
VPN
me
0,
just VPN
VPN
0
0,
enter. It's
face ETH1. Yeah, tunnel interface. Commit, that's it. Okay. Now we can see the configuration of other uh, vSmart or vBond. Just show me till your switch is
This is
coming up.
VBond.
Yeah, show running config. Okay. Local bond 5. Okay, site ID. Viptela. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. IP route. Okay. Okay. Interface 0. Okay. Got it. Okay. Show me the vSmart. Yeah. 3.Viptela. Perfect. Okay. Go ahead. Enter. Enter. Tunnel interface. Okay. Okay. Now can try to ping the vManage from here.
Sure. Is the IP for the vManage to.
Okay.
Yeah, fine.
Now run the command show control connection. Actually, your tunnel interface was down previously on the vManage.
Okay.
It's up now. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
so
It's,
let's go to vManage and check.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it will show you the green. Go to the dashboard. Either you can directly click on the Cisco icon, the blue dots. So
Oh,
it
this
will
one?
also,
Okay.
yeah.
Maybe it is not
So
showing me as a URL.
yeah. It is up now. Okay.
Just a second. Check.
Okay. It's
Okay.
up. We connect the cable, you mean to say?
Yes, yeah, yes.
Yeah, that is the same condition for Eve, that if you are connecting any cable between any of the device, then you need to power down the node. Okay, otherwise it will not connect. Okay.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.